Hello out there. This is your math video for how to solve workbook 77, and these are a bunch of 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication problems. So if you have grid paper, you can use that. If you don't have grid paper, you can use any paper, really. All right, so let's do the first one here. This is 28 times 74. And just to let you know, I'm not going to do the traditional shortcut method where you take 74 and you put it here, and you put 28, and you put it there. I'm going to let your 5th grade teacher show you this. Your 5th grade teacher is going to say, 8 times 4 is 32, carry the 3. 8 times 7 is 56, 58, 50, 56, 57, 58, 59. 2 times 4, don't forget that. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 3 is 17. I'm not going to do all this because it's really confusing. You know what's not confusing? Remember this number. You know what's less confusing? I'll show you what's less confusing. I like this. Ready? I like this. 20. Let's do purple. Oh, no, let's do green. I started it in green. Let's finish it in green. 28. All right. Let's start with this side. 28. Okay. Now let's make a big box. Give ourselves lots of room. Okay. And then before, remember how you had like 28 times 3? Well, it's not just 3 now. It's, I'm going to say 74. So now it's 70 goes here. And then 4 goes here. And then the thing to remember about these is this 20 has a 0. And this 70 has a 0. So automatically you're going to have a 0 and a 0. And then this, the 8 times 70, you're going to have a 0 there. Boop. Okay? So orange on the left, purple on the top. All right. So I know that the zeros are there. So 2 times 7, that right there is 14. So the answer is this. Okay, so far so good, right? All right, next, I say, so by the purple 0, how about we put the purple 0 there? So 8 times 7 is 56, and there's already a 0 there, so it's 560. That makes sense to me. So we have 1, 2, we have 2 more to do. And be sure, remember, this is 20 times 70 is this, and then it's 20 times that number. What? Whoa, watch it. All right, now don't forget, there's an orange 0 there. There it is. And then 2 times 4, as you remember, is 8. So 20 times 4 is going to give you 80. And then lastly, 8 times 4 is 32. No extra zeros. All right, then you take them in order, right? You take the biggest number, put it up here, 1,400. The next biggest number is 560. And next biggest number, I'm going to go with 80. 80 is bigger. And the last one is 32. All right, so put them all together. You've got 2. Ooh, this is a little tough. Let's do 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. And then 1 plus 4 is 5, plus another 5 is 10. Carry the 1, and then that's 2. So, hey Siri, what is 28 times 74? What's 28 times 74? All right, this checks out, which is really interesting to me because I'm a teacher, but I'm still human. I'm not a robot. I make mistakes. So what this tells me is, for some of us, Airy model can give us a more correct answer than the shortcut method. Now, some of you can do this and get the right answer every time. Go for it. For me, though, And for most fourth graders, I'd say at least 64%, 2,072. Okay, and this was number 1. Okay, so how are we doing on time here? It's about 5 minutes. Okay, let's go to another one. Let's jump to let's go over to number 3. Number 3 says, and I already did green, so I'll do green was my first answer. I'll add purple this time. All right, 93 times 57. All right, 93 times 57. Remember, we want a big rectangle and some space. So the first number, I'm gonna do orange. I might change that. I'm actually planning for, well, blah, blah, blah. All right, what do we do? 90, and then this is 3. All right, 93. And then I want to go across, because this is a area model. And you could do the line here, but I like to do this. Why do I like to do that? Because this is 90, and a 10's place is bigger than a 1's place. That's why I do that. And then what's on top? 57, right? So 57. So first up, we've got 90 times 50. So I've got this 0 for 50, and this 0 for 50. My green 90, I've got that 0 for here, and another one there. All right, so let's try the math. So 9 times 5 is this, and because there's 2 zeros, it's 4,500. 9 times 5 is 45. 90 times 50, 4,500. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 50, 150. 9 times 7, 63. 90 times 7, 630. 3 times 7, 21. 21. So, biggest number first, 4,500. Check. 150. Oh, look, 150 is not the largest number. Sometimes the second largest number is there. 630. And 150. And am I done? Yeah, you see it. 21. That's a 1. This is, that 3 and 2 is 5, plus 5 is 10. Carry the 1. 2, 11, 12, 13. Is that 13? 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 1 is, 13. 5,301. Hey Siri, what's 93 times 57?
93 times 57 is 5,301.
There you go, checks out. So my area model looks good, and I'm going to write down 5301, and that's it. Boop. So these, so far, this is I've done number 1 and number 3. Okay, 1 and 3. So let's do one more, and then we'll go to lunch. Oh, you're already at lunch. I'll go to lunch. All right, next one is 37. What color have I not done? Oh, time for blue. Okay, 38 times 62. Boop. And this is number, to my box. This is number 5. Sorry, I was listening to Crazy Frog with my math group, because we did a little dance party after we did all our work. Why am I doing all this, you ask? Hopefully you know why I'm doing this. Because it's 38 times 60. All right. So 30 times 60 is 3 times 6 is 18. There you go. 8 times 6, this. 8 times 6d is that. 3 times 2 is this. 30 times 2 is 60. And 8 times 2 is good old 16. And this was number 5. 1, 8, 0, 0. 480, 60, 16. Yeah. All right, here we go. 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 and 8 is 15. 1 and 8 is 9. 9 and 4 is 13. And there you go. The last thing I need to do is just double check, right? The last thing I need to do is, oh, hey Siri, what's 38 times 62?
38 times 62 is 2,356.
There we go. Cool. All right, 3 problems down. If you do these 3 problems, you can turn that in next week. My goal, if you want to do all of them, go ahead and do all of them. My goal is for you to know the basics of how to do this, and then just continue in 5th grade. They'll continue teaching you area model. They'll teach you some other shortcuts too. Yeah. Okay. So 2. All right. This is 2, 3, 5, 6. And we use blue. Butter. Okay, y'all. I hope that was helpful. I look forward to seeing you next time. Aloha. Au revoir. Bye-bye.